Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Opeyemi. I actually already filmed this vlog and realized that the intro was very dark, so I thought I would redo the intro. On this channel I make videos on medicine and lifestyle, and in today's video I basically just take you with me as I go for my driving lesson. Well, I tried to, and I did a bit of shopping for the week and also cooked. And yeah, that's basically what today's vlog is about. So let's dive into it together. I did my theory driving test in July and I finally decided to start my practical. So in total I've had about 3 lessons. This day I recorded this vlog was the day I was going for my 3rd lesson. So just sharing with you guys what the experience was like that day. And yeah, let's just enjoy this vlog together and I'll see you guys in the rest of the vlog. Bye-bye. So I've just gotten home. It's just before I show you guys what I bought, I wanted to do a quick outfit check. There's nothing special though. It's the pants I really wanted to just show you guys. I just got these pants from Boohoo. So they're like joggers, but they've got like a slight size split. I got this from the tall section and I absolutely love it. It's just, I like the fit. I got this in a medium. It's comfortable. It's long enough, like, you know, tall section for the win, guys, because I'm in between 5'8", 5'9". So I usually just buy my trousers from tall section if I want to get something nice. So yeah, this is what I wore for driving test. Why am I saying test? For my driving lesson and to do some groceries as well. So I'm going to show you guys what I got, but before I do that, I'm just quickly going to call Lizzie. Today's her birthday. She's turning 16. Do you know, I don't know where time is going though, honestly, but yeah, she's turning 16 today, so I'm going to call her. Anywho, so yeah, that's what's up, and yeah, let's go ahead. Just calling Lizzie back. We're not to see the camera as soon as she picks.
Hey, is that a vlog camera?
Yeah, part of the vlog. Happy birthday. You saying hello?
Yes. Hello.
I cannot believe you're 16 oh. Time is flying.
Yeah.
It's flying. So I'm going to show you what I bought now. So first thing here is bread. So I got some bread. I also got egg. I've already put it in that side, so I'm not going to bother to bring that back. Got some lettuce and like this sweet and crunchy salad just for wraps and like for salad if I want, like coleslaw if I want to eat rice. I got some tomatoes, so I've got both peeled and chopped. I think I got 4 of these, 2 of each. I got some shrimps. I got 2 sizes. So this is the bigger one. This is king prawn. Sorry, I got prawns, right? I always mix up prawns and shrimps, but yeah, this is king prawns and then this is large. I don't know why they call this thing large because it's so tiny. Anyways, yeah, that's that. I got some pointed tomatoes. I got 2 of these. I'm not sure where the second one is, somewhere around. Then I have some tortilla wraps. I think this has become a staple for me. Every time I always have to have tortilla in my house. So because I make wraps and then I also make like this tortilla and red egg and cheese and ham wrap that I absolutely love. So yeah, it's become a staple for me. This is the first time I'm getting this. This is a sweet and crunchy stir fry because today I want to make stir fry spaghetti. So I'm going to be trying this for the first time today. I also got stir fry, mixed pepper stir fry. So I'm going to be using like a combination of both. Oh, I didn't even see that this expires today. Can you imagine? Yeah, I'm going to try to cook today. I got easy garlic because every time I'm like, oh, I want to use garlic in my food, but having to start peeling garlic, I can't be bothered. So I'm glad I found this. Just be an easy way to incorporate garlic into my meal. I got just 1 avocado. I'm beginning to like avocado, but again, because it's sometimes I buy some things and I don't use it immediately, so I'm like, I don't want to be buying too much. I got sweet chili sauce. Absolutely love sweet chili sauce. I think the sweet chili wrap from McDonald's is my favorite wrap. And I absolutely just love sweet chili sauce, guys. I got Pringles, because guys, my weight loss journey has been it's been a struggle, guys. I know I've lost some weight though because like my clothes are more loose fitting than they used to be. Like even around my waist, I need to buy like new jeans and stuff. I bought chicken frankfurters. I haven't had that in a while actually. Don't judge me, guys. Do not judge me. I got ham because again I told you guys about the recipe I love, so I use ham for that. I got some strawberries. I got Greek yogurt, I got tomato puree, I got 2 of these for like my jollof rice. So yeah, we've got that. I got some apples because I really like apple as a topping for like my oats. So yeah, I need to have that at home. I got some onions. I still have some, but it's about to finish. So I just thought, yeah, might as well buy onions at this point. I got some things from the bakery. I got like a cookie, a croissant, and something, a muffin, I think. So I really like salt and pepper chicken, and so when I saw this, I just thought, let me try and actually see what this would be like. I just bought one of these, to be honest. It's salt and pepper chicken with vegetable rice. I'm going to pop this into my microwave and see what that would be like. I don't know. I got some bell peppers because I need to make stew today. So I've got tomatoes and I've got bell peppers and I've got everything that I need to make stew. And then finally we've got some chicken. I actually do not mind. I know people always say they don't like soft chicken from like Aldi, Lidl, but I actually do not mind it at all. And my favorite part of chicken now, I'm team drumsticks, but I think I much more prefer thighs to drumsticks. So I got thighs and I got wings. So I'm going to be using this to make my stew. I still have some thighs. I still have some drumsticks somewhere in my fridge freezer. I currently have ram. So I was in London last week. I didn't vlog at all. My aunt and uncle traveled, and one of the things they brought back for me was ram and snail. So I've got snail. It's somewhere behind me there. Actually, I've just soaked it in water and for more from my parents and stuff. So I've got, my freezer is full. Anyways, guys, so driving test today, I was doing rubbish at the bus stops. I don't know why. Not at the bus stops. I'm just stumbling over my words a lot today, bear with me. But I didn't do so well at the roundabout. I tried in some other ones. I was just breaking in between. I don't know why I was making those mistakes. I guess I was just a bit nervous, but I need to take off the nerves really. What I haven't shown you guys that I also got, sorry, that just came to my mind, was the radiator, which I already showed you guys in the previous clip, and tissue. I got the mini radiator because in my house I have a storage heater and it's not feasible to always have that on. So I just thought it would be a better idea to have like a mini one that I can always turn on and off when I need in my room. So I got that for £30. I was going to buy from Home Bargain, but I found this one at Lidl for the same price. And this is Silvercrest, which is a brand I know. So I just felt like if it's the same price, I'm more comfortable with this brand that I know as opposed to a brand I don't know. So I might as well just get from a brand that I know. So that's the story about the heater. And I've been on a set of nights. I just completed a set of nights yesterday morning. So and to be fair, guys, I actually don't usually struggle post nights because somehow my body, when I sleep, even after night shift, if I sleep like around 9, I already know I'm going to wake up around 1 before 2 p.m. So that's what happened yesterday as well. So I woke up at around past 2 p.m. and I didn't sleep back. So by like 10, 11, my body was already like tired and I naturally just fell asleep by myself. So I've kind of resetted my clock back. So that's great. And that's usually what works for me. I just try not to sleep throughout the day after night so that my body resets back. And I'm just really grateful because, to be honest, I know people always say they struggle with getting back on track and resetting their body clock back. But it's honestly never a struggle for me. I've just really hacked it that way because when I get home, I sleep by around 9, I wake up by 1. And once I'm awake by 1, I just stay up for the rest of the day and then go to bed at night as usual. So what's the plan for today? The plan for today is to make food. So I plan to make fried rice. I haven't made fried rice in a while. So I want to make fried rice. I want to make stir-fry spaghetti and I want to make stew. I'm doing all of this because I have a heavy workload this coming week. So I'm working Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, off Thursday, then working Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So I'm working 7 out of 8 days. So it's crazy. And after this stretch, then I have 6 days off before I start another set of nights on Monday next week. So I'm literally looking forward to the 6 days off and I'm just going to push through this set of shifts. And yeah, so I've said so like a million times. So that's what's been going on with work. And yeah, so I just said that. So I'm going to get right around to cooking. I think I'm going to start off with the fried rice. I'm going to do everything simultaneously really. I'm going to have my rice cooking while I make my, I'm just going to do everything at the same time really, just to make things faster. And the time currently is 11:08. So I'm hoping that over the next 2 hours I hopefully should be done with everything. I'm gonna start off with my chicken because I need the chicken broth to kind of like cook my my rice and even my spaghetti. So I'll start off with chicken. I need it for my stew as well. Start off with the chicken. While the chicken is cooking, I've been cooking my spaghetti. Simultaneously, I've been making my stir fry for my rice. So just gonna do everything together, and hopefully I will be done over the next 2.5 hours, and I'll have enough food for the week. So I haven't done this big shopping like this in a while, because normally before I used to do like one shopping a month, but then I stepped that down to shopping weekly because I realized that when I do a big shopping in a month, sometimes I buy things that I don't necessarily need. So this is what I'm doing now, shopping weekly. But because I haven't shopped in a while, I haven't shopped in at least 2-3 weeks, which is why I had a lot of stuff that I needed and certain things I don't have at home anymore. So yeah. Yeah guys, so I would see you guys again. Probably would try to do a few clips here and here, or maybe just show you guys what I cook at the end, because honestly I don't think I can film the cooking process. Oh, I'm gonna just tell you guys, I found another method for like making stew, which I absolutely love. I also use this for my jollof rice, which is basically boiling the peppers when they are raw, right? Am I gonna do that today or not? Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna do that today. I might do it today. It's gonna make things slow. I don't know. But yeah, for jollof rice, I like this from Chef T. That's Diary of a Kitchen Lover. Just boil like the bell peppers. I'm gonna do it today because it makes the stew taste really nice actually. Boil the bell peppers, the tomatoes, everything, the rodo, all of that, and boil it with like bay leaf, thyme, curry. I personally add like a bit of salt and Maggi. It just builds the flavor before you then go ahead to blend and then make the stew. So yeah, I'm gonna do that today actually. And my stew, I'm just gonna use chicken, ram, and yeah, I'm gonna put some snail in it as well. I haven't made stew in actually a while. I think, yeah, okay, maybe I've made recently, but it was more like village stew, not like proper well blended stew. And that's just because I don't really eat stew. So yeah, I'm hoping I can find space in my freezer to actually go store this stew, because I have a lot in my freezer. I have beans, I have okra, I have moi. I just like to always have variety of meals so that if I'm craving anything, I can easily just pull that out from my fridge or my freezer and eat. Yeah, that's what's up guys. So I will see you guys later. Can you guys believe my friend is randomly calling me? Let me do. Just gonna be so surprised that. Yeah. Do you know I was literally like recording a video, like a vlog, and then you called me.
Don't let me be in that video.
You're in it today.
I can't.
Walking down the streets, feeling the breeze in the sunshine state where dreams come with ease. Palm trees swaying with the ocean in view. This is the place where I always feel brand new. Sipping on a smoothie, chilling by the shore. Got my shades on, feeling like I can't be ignored. Sun-kissed skin, feeling so alive in the soft rap game. I strive to thrive. Waves crashing on the sand as I ride the vibe. Soft rap flowing, let the rhythm collide. I'm the king of this groove with the catchy hook. Got the ladies moving and the fellas shook. Just down the boulevard with the top down low. Music blasting loud, feeling the flow. Neon lights flicker.
The time is currently what? 2:56. I finished cooking around 1:21. But in cleaning my kitchen, I also had to take time to go and set up the portable heater I bought to see how well it will heat up my living room while I'm still sorting out the kitchen. Because one thing I don't like to do is leave my kitchen a mess when I'm done cooking. I like to clean, and I actually usually clean as I go. But because I was doing a lot and I was also on the phone with my friend, it was a bit difficult to do that. But yeah, all done. I'm happy. My fridge is full. I'm sorted for a while. I don't have to worry about food, so that is great. I was also going to teach you guys, I got a new phone. If you guys remember, I mentioned that I really wanted to get the 16 Pro, and I was planning to buy it outright, but I saw it on my friend who just encouraged that, you know, I buy it on a contract rather. And to be fair, when I thought about it, the difference was going to be like £4 per month. You know, that's what it would come to. So I bought this on a contract with GiftGaff, which another of my friend had mentioned, and I just was looking at options. I initially ordered it with Sky, which is like the Sky and my Wi-Fi providers, which I just got. Initially ordered with Sky, but it was going to take like 4 weeks, and Sky's plan was more expensive, so I just cancelled it with Sky and yeah, bought it with GiftGaff. So I bought the 16 Pro 512 gigabytes because space, content, all of that stuff. So I'm finally done. I'm so glad. I feel so relieved that that's out of the way, even though I've spent I've been awake since like past 7 and I've literally been doing back-to-back work today, but I'm happy. Like, I'm not even complaining. I'm glad that I've had a productive day. I'm just going to do my laundry now because my laundry is overflowing. I need to do my laundry. So I'm going to do my laundry and I'm just going to show you guys what I bought from Boohoo. I showed you guys the trousers from this morning. I basically buy from top sections. I just bought new sets of jeans because I'm still losing some weight, so my jeans are now like big on the waist, and I just also wanted something better, to be fair. So I said to try Boohoo because I had seen one that someone got on Boohoo and it was nice. So I'm going to pick it up now and do a try on haul, and then I would do my laundry, and I think I'll just end this vlog here. This vlog has just been like a spend a day with me, and we've done a few things together today. Driving lesson, even though I didn't film it, but we've gone grocery shopping, even though I didn't really film it. We've cooked, we've unboxed the groceries, we've done laundry, or we're about to do laundry, we're doing a try on haul. And yeah, I hope you guys have somehow or somewhat enjoyed this vlog. It's just been nice catching up with friends today. So yeah, this was a very spontaneous vlog that I decided to do just literally when I picked up my camera. It was like very, very spontaneous, but I'm glad I actually vlogged today, and I hope that you guys somewhat enjoy this vlog. At least, you know, you can watch this vlog and just relax, you know. So yeah, I'll grab the jeans now, put them on, show you what we have, and then I will do my laundry and I will end this vlog. Guys, so this is the first pair of jeans. I absolutely love the color. I love the fit. This is what I wanted. I wanted like wide leg pants. So this looks good. The waist isn't too bad. Feels a little bit big at the back, but honestly, I'm used to this. The problem is the hip, which I don't think you guys can see very well. Maybe you can see a bit clearly now. Ignore the mess behind me, guys. But it's a bit tight. But I feel like I'm just going to keep it because if I'm still going to lose some more weight, this will definitely get looser. It doesn't look too bad. And the waist is a little bit big, to be fair. I feel like if I size up, this is a 12. If I size up to a 14, it's going to be too big in the waist area. Gosh, decisions. But I absolutely love how this looks. This cost me, I think, about £15 or something like that. I'll confirm. And the length I absolutely love because this is going to go over like my shoes or whatever. So I think I'm going to keep it, even though this space is a little bit tight. But the black one, this is what the black one looks like. Quite similar to the blue. Also wide leg. I prefer the blue, obviously. I prefer blue color. But I got this black. There were two lengths. There was 34 and 36. And I got 36, which is definitely so freaking long. So I've had to just turn in this thing a little bit. It's also like the blue. It's a little bit tight around the hip. The waist is a little bit big, as always, because I always have that problem. The waist will be too big, and then the hip.
Walking down the streets, feeling the breeze, in the sunshine state where dreams come with ease. Palm trees swaying with the ocean in view. This is the place where I always feel brand new. Sipping on a smoothie, chilling by the shore. Got my shades on, feeling like I can't be ignored. Sun-kissed skin, feeling so alive in the soft rap game. I strive to thrive. Waves crashing on the sand as I ride the vibe. Soft rap flowing, let the rhythm collide. I'm the king of this groove with the catchy hook. Got the ladies moving and the fellas shook.